My name is Katie Schultes. I graduated in December of 2019 with an Associate's in Dairy Science and a BBA in Agricultural Business Development. My background in agriculture really started, I grew up on my family's 50-cow dairy in Shenango County, New York. I do all of the milking and crop work on the weekends with my dad and my uncle while working full-time at Farm Credit. I had heard really great things about the dairy professors at Morrisville, and that's really what led me here. And even the ag business department, I was very impressed with that, and it was definitely the right choice for me. I think women have really paved the way for themselves within the last 30 years, especially in this industry. You see more and more women in the industry, such as vets, vet techs, even herdsmen now, and I think that's really opened a lot of people's mind that women can do just as much as men can do.
The traits that we see lead to the most success in agricultural fields tend to be a persistence, a determination. A lot of them are what we'd call soft skills. And I think we see that in our female students. They just have a great sense of themselves, a great sense of the people around them and how to get things done within an organizational structure.
I thought the agricultural business program would open up a lot more doors for me than just dairy. I really wanted to try something new and expand my horizons. So I applied with Farm Credit and I started there in March. Morrisville's provided me a lot of networking opportunities, especially the Dairy Challenge program. My regional manager at Farm Credit actually recognized me from Dairy Challenge at the regional level. So that was really cool, and you never know who you'll meet doing anything here. And the ability to go places and do different things with Morrisville has really been a great experience for me.